How to download Chase app on a device. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store, or you can head over to Play Store if you're on your Android device. Let me head over to App Store. In the search bar, search for Chase Mobile. You have to move into this app. So right here, you should see the option of install. Also, if you see the icon of this, then all you want to do is click on it. Well, the application will start to install on a device. All you have to do is wait for a while for it to complete the process. There you can see that the app has been successfully installed on a device. In order to use this app, simply tap on Open. If you already have your account, you have to enter your login credential and then log into your specific account. But if you don't have your account yet, then you have to create one, and then only you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can download Chase app on your device. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.